Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining today's small session. We are glad to announce that we have recently completed the integration with LenelS2 OnGuard access control system with the version 8.0 and 8.1. This was very much important for our existing and new customers where we always want to use a new and greatest feature with open access APIs, and this integration is the same step in that direction. LenelS has been our very strategic partner for past many years when we started supporting version 7.2 onwards until now, and we are keep improving our relationship. We are keep innovating in this space and bringing new integrations and new scenarios for our customers. As you might already know, AlertEnterprise is a cyber physical security convergence platform, which brings in HR, IT systems, and automate policies for physical security system, whether those are related to employee access, contractors access, vendors or visitors access, and we have various solutions and products around those needs. We also have an intelligence platform where we are making sure that if people are got the access to the areas, they are using it in the right way. So we have an AI machine learning based intelligence platform, which can also detect misuse of access and notify security for any threat situation. As you can see from this picture, we call it a typical deployment for cyber physical security convergence, where one side we are bringing in HR and IT systems data, which is employee onboarding, employee transfers, employee termination, and how that get translate into automatically to physical security system. That's one of the use cases. We have other use cases around temporary workers management, where they are not in IT space, but they need access to your critical spaces. How you make sure you can have governance around those cardholders, assign supervisor, and manage complete end-to-end audit on those badges as well. We have self-service portal, periodic access reviews, and certifications. So all those are the use cases around this products and features. And we use this LenelS2 integration in bi-directional way. We provision and push cardholder profile, their badge and access. We also read badge events and alarm data and use that through our AI machine learning engine. And we can detect any anomalous behavior. We can detect noise alarms, which can be taken out. So this integration, the both directional integration, is giving you many more use cases. We have customers who have used LenelS system globally, as you can see in the picture. We have customers who are having maybe more than a dozen LenelS access control system globally, and how AlertEnterprise is making sure that it channelizes the data to a different region, different spaces based on employee type, whether there's an employee or a contractor or vendor working in a specific site. So all those use cases based on GDPR or data privacy requirements has been taken care. We have data encryption, and maybe making sure that the visitors who are checking in on those local sites, their data also remains in those sites. So there are many, I would say, best practices for global deployment, which we have done with LenelS in the past. We will be happy to share more details. You can go to our website. You can look for resources, or you can fill up a form, and we will be able to reach out to you, and we'll engage with more conversation and more details. Thank you again. We appreciate your time, and looking forward to connecting with you individually. Bye-bye.